chairman ng Bagong Pilipinas Youth, pinangunahan ni Presidential Son William Vincent Vini Marcos ang pagbubukas ng Bagong Pilipinas Youth Hub sa Mandaluyong City. Ito ang magsisilbing headquarters ng Bagong Pilipinas Youth Movement. Sa ilalim ng programa, ang sinumang kabataan o grupo ay maaaring maglatag ng proyekto para sa kanilang komunidad at pwede silang mapondohan sa tulong ng pribadong sektor.
With all of your hopes and plans for your communities, ang daming magandang idea talaga. Like, you've envisioned an exciting and diverse range of programs, from cultural film viewings to band competitions, from spelling bees to science exhibits, from feeding programs to barangay cleanups, and the list goes on. I'm genuinely impressed and excited what you'll all be able to do. Galing niyo talaga.
Naniniwala po ang ating chairman na ang mga batang ito po na sa iba't ibang sector po ang mas nakakaalam ng mga problema doon sa communities nila. So what we do is we ask them to create a program or project proposal and we will partner it with the private sector po.
Ilan pa sa mga proyektong isinumite sa Bagong Pilipinas Youth ay ang pagtatatag ng Youth Voters Registration Hub, Bagong Kabataan Academy, sports at talent activities, gayon din ang pagtugon sa problema sa mental health at bullying, at pagtulong sa panahon ng kalamidad. Bukas naman ang pintuan ng Bagong Pilipinas Youth Hub araw-araw na pwedeng magamit ng kabataan sa study sessions, meetings, at iba pang aktibidad. Sa pamamagitan ng mga ito, may lalayo ang kabataan sa mga bisyo tulad ng iligal na droga at online gambling kung saan maraming bata ngayon ang nalululong. Pero ang pangunahing layunin ng Bagong Pilipinas Youth ang mabigyan ng mas malakas na boses ang kabataan upang sila ang maging tagapaghatid ng pagbabago sa lipunan at sa buong bansa.
The youth will not wait for change. We will drive it. You are not just the hope for the future, you are the leaders of today. With passion in our hearts and purpose in our hands, we will make the vision of Bagong Pilipinas Youth a reality.
Sa ngayon, ay daang-daang kabataan na ang miyembro ng Bagong Pilipinas Youth, kabilang ang student leaders at sangguniang kabataan officials. At pwedeng sumali ang sinumang kabataang Pilipino 15 to 30 years old. Welcome din maging ang out-of-school youth at mga kabataang nagbabalik loob sa lipunan.
The Presidential Communications Office Assistant Secretary Patricia Kylie S. Martin. Good morning, ma'am. And also to the Malacanang Media Accreditation and Relations Office. Good morning, sirs and ma'ams. It is my great honor.
Give up, you say. Go away. Okay, you say. Do we give up now? No way!
But all of this will only be possible if all sectors and stakeholders come together. Government, private sector, civil society, schools, and communities. That's why I would like to give special thanks to the private sector partners and friends who have been stepping forward to help fund and support these youth-led projects. Your belief in our young leaders is not only appreciated, it is essential. Salamat po.